So, good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, madam.
I,
Good
I,
afternoon, madam.
I hope all of you
I
are
hope
fine this afternoon, and I would like us to have our class that I had scheduled today. We are going to discuss on operating system, and I hope everyone is going to be okay. Okay, I hope you can hear me.
Yes.
So, we are going to learn about operating system, and we'll start by the introduction of operating system. So, the definition of operating system: an operating system is a program that acts as an interface between the user and the computer hardware and controls the execution of all kinds of program. Function of operating system. The following are some of the important functions of an operating system. We have memory management, processor management, device management, and file management. So the next thing, we are going to have a diagram. I hope this one we had at some time discussed it. So I would like Rachel to clarify to us this.
Thank you, madam. From our diagram, you can see the users, that is various users. You can see the software, you can see the hardware. In the software part, you can see system software, application software, and operating system. Madam, as you've told us that operating system acts as an interface between the software and the hardware. So we can see the hardware that contains the CPU, the RAM, and the input and output devices. And the arrow that is pointing down shows us that operating system acts as an interface between the software and the hardware. Hope that's clear, madam.
Yeah, yes, you have read it well. Thank you, Rachel. So we have the memory management. We are going to discuss the functions of the operating system. Let us have Anne reading for us about memory management.
memory management refers to managing primary main memory is a large array of words or bytes where each word or byte has its own address. Main memory provides a fast storage that can be accessed directly by the CPU for a program to be executed. It must in the main memory, an operating system does the following activities for memory management. One, keeps tracked primary memory, i.e., what part of each area is used by whom, what parts are not in use. Two, in multiprogramming, the OS decides which process will get memory when and how much. Three, allocates the memory when a process requests it to do so. Then the last one, deallocates the memory when a process no longer needs it or has been terminated. Thank you, madam.
That's great, Anne.
Okay, that's great. And
We are going to process management. I'll request Miriam to read for us about process management.
Okay. Process management, we can say in a multi-programming environment, the OS decides which process gets the processor, when and how, for how much time. This function is called process scheduling. An operating system does the following activities for processor management. 1. Keeps track of processor and status of process. The program responsible for this task is known as traffic controller. Number 2, allocates the processor, that is CPU, to a process. Number 3, relocates processor when a process is no longer required.
Thank you, Anne. I hope it's Miriam. Yeah, I can see it's Miriam. Thank you, Miriam, for your presentation. So I would like us to go to the device management. An operating system manages device communication via their respective drivers. It does the following activities for device management: keeps track of all devices. The program responsible for this task is known as input-output controller. Decides which process gets the device when and for how much time. Allocates the device in the efficient way. Deallocates deallocates devices. I hope we are at par, all of us.
Yes, madam.
Yes.
Okay, so we are going to look at file management. A file system is normally organized into directories for easy navigation and usage. These directories may contain files and other directions. An operating system does not follow activities for file management. Keeps track of information, location, uses, status, etc. The collective facilities are often known as file system. Decides who gets the resources, allocates the resources, deallocates the resources. Thank you for your audience. I would like to leave the class, and I believe we shall be meeting next week at the same time, and we'll be looking at another subtopic. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank you, madam. Enjoy your day.